Hi, welcome friends. Today we are going to see how to make a DIY birdhouse using brand zero MDF birdhouse cutouts. Okay, so this comes with 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 plus A1 8 bases. This is of 2.5 mm thickness. So just simply it is, you can glue it and stick all this together to make a 3D birdhouse. Now let's see how to assemble this. So now we are going to assemble the DIY birdhouse from brand zero. Okay, I have put the glue only on the lower cuts, not on the embossed cuts. You can see only which is in the deeper side. For that we have glued it. Okay, these are the two bases, front and back. So first for this we will place it in this way. Here also I have glued it. Here you do always one thing. In this one is shorter one and one other teeth is lengthier. So lengthier should come towards your front side. So we'll fix it like this, and we'll take the other part of the birdhouse. So once this two is fixed, take the right side and left side of this one. Here also, here I have not glued it, only in the lower cuts I have put the glue. So just we'll insert like this. So one side is done. So other side, here also same thing, only on here I have glued it, no, not on sides. So this part is completely done. So it look like this now. So now we have to stick only the roof of this one. So here also we have glued only on the lower cuts. So just insert it like this. One this side and other one is this side. So your birdhouse is ready. And this part, one small part, here also you can glue it only to the inner part, and you can stick it here.